Going to give you a little update of what's going on at the bench right after the intro. Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Model Car Building and Retirement. My name is Ken. Going to give you a little update of what's coming up on our channel. First of all, sneak peek, very soon is going to be the direct side-by-side comparison of acrylic water-based paints versus my favorite enamel with 2K clear. On the final stages of letting this cure out so I can polish it, and then we'll get this thing published in just a few days. And while I'm at it, I thought I'd give you a little update too on the Foose Designs 1965 Impala. This is the car that was used for our four-part paint series. The build is upcoming, and it'll probably debut right after that paint comparison video coming up. And let me give you some other stash ads that I've recently got. Some of them I had a little bit longer than others, but this is all the stuff that's going to be coming up. So we got the Revell 69 Camaro Z28 from Motor City Muscle. Going to be building that one. This is a cool one. I don't get into trucks a whole lot, but this is a 1978 Dodge, and it comes with a little mini bike. I'm excited about that. I think that'll be nice for my diorama. But this truck is going to be one of my patina jobs. So this will be featured in an upcoming video where I do a patina paint job. And I'm also experimenting with my first batches of homemade decals. So on the door of this, I've made a little round decal that says Model Building and Retirement with the YouTube signal. So it's going to be basically a little shop truck for the diorama. I think you've seen this one already from when I did my Hobby Lobby haul, but it's a Coca-Cola truck. It'll be red, just like you see on the box. Coming up is a 1970 Buick GSX from Revell, and this is going to be going bright yellow with black stripes. I pictured that from the moment I picked up the box. I think a lot of people do. It's a popular color. Probably saw this one on my Hobby Lobby haul, 1971 Cuda. Gonna probably be plum crazy purple. And I got the 1969 Boss 302 Mustang from Revell, and this is gonna go that competition orange, or Calypso Coral is the color. It's a beautiful orange. So that's coming up. Got a 71 Mach 1 Mustang kit. This is the Revell 007 version. I already built one in the metallic green, grabber green. This one is going to be in the metallic blue to mimic the 1972 that I owned in the early 80s. And I got me a little 32 Ford Roadster. I haven't picked the color for that yet, but probably black. Then I got another Foose job. This is a Foose Designs, the Ford FD100 pickup truck. And I'm going to be shooting my first candy colors on this. This is going to be a turquoise candy over silver. So I'm kind of anxious to try that one out. And that'll be done in the enamels with the 2K clear. And recently on my Hobby Lobby haul, AMT Challenger. Then I got a 1970 Pontiac Firebird from Revell Motor City Muscle Car. This one's going to go in a dark metallic green, like a friend of mine had back in high school. I always thought his car was very pretty, so I'm going to shoot this the same color. '63 Impala. Haven't decided yet. I'm thinking patina. I'm kind of thinking Cheech and Chong. Or maybe show car. I haven't decided on this one yet. It's rare that I don't know what a car is going to look like before I buy it, but that one I'm not sure of. And then I got a 1977 Ford Mustang II. You might ask, what's with that? I had a 74 Mustang II in high school. I had a lot of cars in high school. But it was nice. I had a little accident during the blizzard of 1978, so I did the body work and had this totally repainted, and I added the spoiler from the Cobra 2 kit and a 69 Mach 1 hood scoop, and then painted this a beautiful bronze color. Problem is, this kit does not come with the hood scoop or the rear spoiler, so I'm not sure what to do yet. I'd like to find the old Cobra 2 kit, or the King Cobra kit, but they're pretty pricey. I seen them on eBay. Somebody wants like $500 for the kit. Well, it doesn't mean that much to me. If I had a 3D printer, I'd like to try it, but I don't even know if there's such a file. So, anyways, that's coming up. Okay, the other Mach 1, well, this is the 1971 Boss 351 from Revell. That's that new kit that they came out with, much like the 007. I haven't decided, but I think black with silver stripes. I need some more decals because I've already pillaged the decals out of this box for the other Mach 1 I did. '68 Dodge Charger, triple black. I'm gonna go like the one in Bullitt. Vinyl top, black paint, black interior. I think it's gonna be a beautiful build. Can't wait to get to that one. 1967 Plymouth GTX Hemi. I pictured this as sort of like that butternut yellow that I did on my 442. It's a faded out yellow. That's what that's going to get. Popular color back in those days. And finally, 1971 Dodge Demon from MPC. And this one I've already got the paint for. It's going to be a lime green. A bright lime green. So I have quite a bit of kits to build, but I'm not as bad as a lot of the other model builders out there that have stashes of like 200 or so. I forget what I got here, maybe 20 to go. So anyways, coming up, but watch for that acrylic, water-based acrylic paint video coming up in just a few days. Stay tuned, and if you like my stuff, my videos, hit that subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you for watching.